Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Kids Scrapbook Kit is probably one of the most creative and engaging ways for your little girl to document her precious memories and express her unique personality. It's a fantastic way to spark her imagination and creativity, allowing her to preserve cherished moments through art and storytelling, transforming ordinary photos into extraordinary keepsakes that she will treasure for years to come. Number 5. Just My Style Ultimate Scrapbook. It's a 40-page scrapbook that you can personalize. Use it to store and display your special memories and keepsakes. It comes with tons of fun accessories. You'll find stickers, a pen, scissors, glue, gemstones, and more. This scrapbook encourages self-expression. Make each page unique with photos, drawings, and inspirational messages. Tell your story through pictures and words. It's the perfect way to keep and display your memories. The kit includes everything you need: scrapbook, stickers, pen, scissors, glue, and more. Start creating today. It's a great gift for kids, teens, and even adults. It's a fun and creative way to express yourself. What we like. It has many pages and tons of accessories to make your own unique scrapbook. If you are looking for a complete kit to start scrapbooking, you should consider this one. It is perfect for kids who love to express themselves creatively through arts and crafts. What people say. It comes with so many fun stickers and sheets to use. Her favorite part is the scissors. Has a lot of assorted stickers and is very suitable for first-time scrapbooking. Perfect size with just right amount of stuff. Number 4. Hapinest DIY Journal Set. This complete journaling kit has everything your young artist needs to create a unique and personalized journal. It's filled with colorful stickers, decorative frames, and plenty of pages for self-expression. Designed for ages 8 to 14, it's the ideal gift to inspire creativity and self-expression. Watch them design and decorate unique scrapbook pages with the included accessories. It's a fun and functional gift that enhances journaling and scrapbooking skills. It's perfect for birthdays or any occasion where you want to encourage creativity. This 63-piece kit includes a 70-page journal, stickers, frames, scrapbook pages, and even a tassel charm. Everything is carefully packaged to ensure a delightful experience. It arrives in attractive packaging, making it a beautiful gift to give and receive. It's the perfect present for any creative young person. What we like. This kit comes with everything you need to create a personalized journal. If you like the idea of a beautifully packaged gift, this is a great option. It's ideal for girls who enjoy journaling and scrapbooking and appreciate attention to detail. What people say. Things to decorate pages is good. This is a great journal kit. My 9-year-old loves all the fun accessories included. She has been scrapbooking with pictures of family and friends. Very nice colors and a great selection of little add-ons for her creations. Number 3. DIY Journal Kit for Girls. This kit has everything you need to create 2 beautiful journals. It's perfect for expressing yourself and capturing your thoughts and memories. You'll get 2 journals, stencils, tassels, tape, scrapbook sheets, and so much more. There are also pens, stickers, and other fun supplies to decorate your journals. The journals use acid-free paper, and the pens write smoothly. It's designed to give you a wonderful journaling experience. It makes a great gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a fun and creative activity for girls of all ages. This kit provides hours of creative fun. Use it at home, school, or on the go to express your creativity. It's a tool to help you process your feelings, build writing skills, and share your ideas. It's a wonderful way to express yourself creatively. What we like. Get double the fun with 2 journals and a massive collection of accessories. If you want extra value and high-quality materials, this is the one for you. It's perfect for kids who love to write, draw, and create. What people say. I bought this for my 10-year-old niece and she was in love with it and all the items it comes with. She started in decorating the minute it was unpacked. Great for preteens to have and make it their own. How the box was decorated got my attention. So I compared the items inside the box. And it was worth it. My granddaughter writes her daily stuff either happy or sad. Then puts some decor with it. She likes it age 8. This was a Christmas gift and it was loved. So many choices to decorate each page uniquely with stickers, tape, scissors and pretty paper. Definitely would recommend. Especially to a tween. Number 2. Doodle Hog Scrapbook Kit. It's time to get creative with our amazing scrapbook kit. It's packed with everything you need to make unique and memorable keepsakes. This journal has 40 thick pages, perfect for photos, drawings, and all your creative ideas. There's plenty of space to personalize it. We've included washi tape, stickers, envelopes, and decorative papers, everything you need to make it your own. It's super stylish. This kit is perfect for girls aged 8 to 12 who love to express themselves creatively. It's fun and easy to use. With its customizable cover and thick pages, it's easy to create a one-of-a-kind journal. Add your own special touch. This kit is made with high-quality materials that will last. It's perfect for creating lasting memories. What we like? This scrapbook kit offers high-quality materials and a trendy design. If you are looking for a stylish and durable scrapbook, this is a great choice. It's perfect for girls who appreciate quality and on-trend aesthetics. What people say. There's lots of cute stickers and fun-sized papers they can cut and glue together. It includes the book and lots of stickers and other things to put inside of the book. It came with everything she needed to decorate and make the pages her own design. Number 1. Hapinest DIY Scrapbook. It's time to get crafting. This scrapbook kit has everything you need to create beautiful keepsakes. With 453 pieces, it has all the materials you need to make a unique and personalized scrapbook. It includes a hardcover book, stickers, gems, paper, glue, ribbons, and more. Everything is high quality and ready to use. Make a special keepsake book for yourself or a best friend. It's the perfect way to preserve your favorite memories. This is a great gift for creative kids aged 6 and up. It's fun, educational, and encourages self-expression. It comes with easy-to-follow instructions, so even beginners can create stunning scrapbooks. Let's start creating. What we like? With a huge number of supplies, you can create a truly special keepsake. If you want to make a memorable gift for a friend, this is the perfect kit. It's ideal for kids who love to craft and create personalized gifts. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.